Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can save your projects on GanttPro as a template, for example, to use these in a customizable form later for your future project so that you don't have to create this new project from the beginning. So let us dive into this. So head over to GanttPro, click into that folder button to the left and select one of your projects you would like to convert into a template. And after that, click into these three dots in the top right and select Save as a template here. From there, simply use that window here to give your template a name, like my template 02 or a 2. And after that, you may also decide to share the template with your team and save it. And now your project template has been successfully saved so that you may now use it for creating new projects, guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we catch you later.